So welcome to my earring revival. Here I'll be reviving a set of earrings that I've worn for a while. These, I got them from Claire's Icing. I want you to see how long I've stayed old. I hope you can see it. Once they get into this state of old, I kind of revive them. So I'm going to show you the process I go through. And it is with nail polish. Yay! I'm so happy. Okay.
We may have to start again.
So when I'm reviving my earrings, they're usually in this state. Like this. I got these earrings from Claire's. And I revived them using nail polish. Hooray! So, how do I do it with nail polish? You're about to find out. So first, I pick the colors I want to use. Out of all of these, I decided to go with these three colors. White, light pink, and the top coat. The top coat is just to finish it off when it's done, to make sure that all the colors stay together. Well, honestly, the main color I wanted to use was this pretty pink, this shiny, shimmery pink. This is Revlon's 745 Pink Glaze. This is the main color I wanted to use, but I couldn't just put it straight on my earrings because they're already discolored. So I'm gonna put a base of Essie's Blanc number 008 to be the base coat, and hopefully the earrings will look nice. So let's start with our base coat of white. So I usually just pick it up, I hold it at the ends right here to make sure that I can get everything, and I just pick up my nail polish and go about it like this. Pretty messy, but hey. Oops. Oh, there goes the floor. Ha ha ha. So I just kind of carefully do this. Carefully put this white coat on top. Make sure I get the other side as well. Now the irony of this is that I have not developed a way to dry it. So I'm gonna end up holding this white earring for a little bit. So fast forwarding now. Stop! Stop the video! Done. Here are my white based earrings. Yeah, I eventually had to give them to my cousin to hold and got a hair dryer. But I still haven't figured out how to hold it like without me pinching it the whole time. But yeah, here they are. Time for the next coat, which is the main coat that I wanted on my earrings. This pink glaze. So I'm just gonna paint it on really quick. Ooh, wow, this really does look really nice. Can you see it? So I'm gonna do this to the second earring and it'll all be done. Well, I guess no need for you to watch me paint the second earring. I'll just show you a picture of it when it's done. And this is how I revive my earrings. So after adding that main coat that I wanted, this is how it's looking. It's looking really nice. So after this, all I'm gonna add is the base coat to protect it, which is the white top coat. This is Sally Hard as Nails, Invincible 100. I kind of trust this one for being strong and lasting long, honestly. It's the longest lasting nail polish I've ever had. So yeah, after adding that, that'll be it for my earrings. Yeah, so I'm not gonna bore you with watching me put on the top coat, but I'll just put a picture of the finished product when I'm done. So thanks for watching. Bye!